What's going on, RestoMods? It's Mike here. I'm with Greg and Miles, and we saw a couple cool trucks, and we had to stop and talk to these guys about them. We'll start here. Miles, what are we looking at?
C10 go-kart. We found the body on Facebook.
Okay.
And we just bought it, and then we bought the frame after. So now we built this, and now it's really sick.
So you guys are starting a little project together and building this thing from the ground up?
Yeah.
Sweet. What kind of motor are we running?
Briggs & Stratton.
Briggs & Stratton?
Yeah.
Sweet. I saw you ripping around here, man. This thing is kick ass.
Thank you.
Pops, what do we got back here? What's the big dog?
62 C10, all original paint. Found it in a field. Been sitting in a field since '82.
Wow.
The old man smashed the motor, got out of the truck and left it there, and then I found it. So
it was sitting.
It was sitting
for
since '82.
years. That's a long time.
Yeah. So I put a different motor, 292, 6-cylinder,
cool.
3 on the tree. It's pretty much all original. Yeah,
the patina on this thing is like incredible.
Yeah, yeah.
You could never get this again if
Right.
you tried, which is the best part about it.
This is my keeper.
Completely original as it was when you found it.
Yep.
Besides the engine, you got it on the road and brought this thing back to life.
The motor and the seat are the only two things I've changed.
Wow.
That's it.
And enjoying it. How do you like this thing?
I like it.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
So someday when you're growing out of this one, is this maybe in the running for your car?
Yeah.
What are you gonna get when you're 16?
Ford Ranger.
Ford Ranger? I like it. Cool. Well, thank you guys so much for talking to us about your cool truck.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it,
buddy.
All right, bro.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
If you're ready to get yourself into a classic, head on over to RestoMods.com. Get your entries into our active sweepstakes to win a dream car or $50,000 in cash. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Let us know what we're doing good. If you have negative comments, keep them to yourself. We don't want to hear them. But thank you guys. We got more features coming for you soon. Check them out.